I am Dr. Shiva Murthy, President, Medical Pharmacology Society, and I am also the organizing chairman of MPSCON 2026. So, by this time, you must have heard about MPSCON 2026, and it is happening at CD Saimer, Kanakpura Road, Bangalore on May 20th to 22nd. And May 20th it will be pre-conference workshop. May 21st and 22nd it will be main conference. So we have many activities planned for this MPSCON 2026. On 20th May 2026, it is a pre-conference day. We will have 3 important workshops. One is on MPS Career Conclave, very much important for the graduates, postgraduates, MD pharmacologists, B Pharma, D Pharma, M Pharma, Pharma D, allied health sciences students who are very much looking for going into industry, and if they want to learn what are the skills that are required, what are the expectations of the industry, and it's a very important and apt workshop for all these people. MPSCON 2026, it is hosting MPS Career Conclave as pre-conference workshop, and we have already received very good response with already 30 participants registering for this workshop. This is a great thing. This is very important. If you see who are all speaking, we have a representative from Bharat Biotech company, Dr. Ramesh Jagannathan. He will be talking about clinical operations, and we have invited Dr. Sam Matthew. He will be speaking about medical writing opportunities. I have invited Mr. Manmath, is the HR representative. He is running a company and he is the founder CEO, and he will be talking about soft skills, importance of that. And then generic pharma drug development, very important as far as current scenario is concerned, because most of the drugs have already expired their patency, and generic drug development is becoming very much relevant. And what are the procedures that are followed, and what are the positions available in this kind of industry will be really very important for you to know, and you will learn more about this, and this is going to be a turning point for you. What are the kinds of pharma companies who are involved in development of generic drug development? Like this, what are the positions that are available? What are the responsibilities you are going to manage? So like this, for every positions we are going to discuss. And again, we have a representation from pharmacovigilance industry, Dr. Sibgatullah. He will be speaking about pharmacovigilance industry and medical affairs requirements, and that is again going to be very important for you. What are the positions, what are the activities that are done in pharmacovigilance industry? And if we consider again other industries like medical affairs, medico marketing. That is another very rich industry, very highly potential industry, and lot of sales force are recruited in this industry. And again, it's very important for you to know what are the positions available, what is the career path, and what skills are required, and how you can progress. So all this you can expect during this MPS Career Conclave discussions. And again, I have invited Dr. Lini. She is the regulatory expert, and she is doing a lot of work related to international regulatory applications and the positions available and what are the skill sets that are required. And she is a founder, CEO of a company called Silmet. So I'm giving you very important opportunity for you to grab and take it forward. Please spread the word. And it's very, we are not charging too much. We are not even covering the expenses. We are also giving friends discount. We are also giving, same institution discount, and also special discount for those, a group discount more than 15 people coming together from the same institution. So friends discount about 6%, 6 people from different institution, and group discount from the same institution again is also available. Small group and big group, so both are different. And if you are interested in registration, please feel free to connect with me. We will definitely support you. We are here to develop the right kind of person who is really interested to grow in their life and become a good professional. Irrespective of their education, whether they are whatever the different kind of pharmacologists, we are here to support you. We will definitely, look after the best way how we can support you so that you will secure and enjoy the benefits of learning from these kind of workshops. The next important workshop what we are going to talk will be, that is, research methodology workshop. This is again very much apt for the M Pharma, B Pharma, MBBS, MD Pharmacology, and not only MD Pharmacology, all other streams of MDs and MS. I think just now, 15-20 days back, a batch has joined and they were just recruited as postgraduate students in various medical colleges. And they can take the advantage of this workshop. Research methodology workshop is very much apt for you because you just joined and you in the next 3 years you are supposed to do a research project called thesis, and then you need to complete that thesis and then submit to the university. And now it is your job is to understand the research methodology and also file an application to your university with your project title, and also approach to the ethics committee, approach to the scientific committee, and get your approval, secure approval, keep the applications in good condition so that you are able to successfully get your application through. And also it's important to learn the tactics of creating aims, objectives, materials and methods, and the methods to put the results, methods to analyze, methods to select the statistical tests, importance of p-value, 90% confidence interval, and mean, median, standard deviation. So all like this. So many terminologies requires understanding. So you need to understand all these and write a proper application, write a review of your article, and then literature search, review of literature, like this. So various aspects you are supposed to cover, and all these things will be taught in research methodology workshop. And method to select your statistical tools, tests, method to select your statistical tools, softwares, and what are the free softwares that are available. So like this, we are going to educate you, give you some hand-holding so that you will go out and perform. In this research methodology workshop, we have only limited seats. Only 36 seats will be included. So already we have 25 seats already occupied, and another 5-10 seats are already booked and people are going to join. So we have only limited seats available. So please take an advantage of this and join and learn and excel in your project. In addition to this, you will also be taught about the methodology to apply for the funding agencies. So what are the tactics involved? What are the important aspects of getting the project successfully into the funding? So, and also what are the ethical aspects you need to consider while writing the project, while executing the project, and also while you are writing the report also. So like this, research methodology workshop, it will be a high hands-on work, and throughout day you will be made to do the activity. Okay, it is more of an activity-based workshop. It is not a didactic lectures. Okay, so career conclave will go as a CME mode, but research methodology workshop will be it's on hands-on. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell you, and now I would like to tell you about systematic review and meta-analysis. Meta-analysis and systematic review. This is the highest level of evidence you can create. You can bring it to the table, and this is one of the most sought after evidence by regulators, the sponsors, and also the authors. And higher amount of referencing, re-referencing, indexing will happen if you are doing these meta-analysis or systematic review projects. So it is going to be highly rewarding. And this kind of research methodology, meta-analysis and systematic review methodology will be taught during the same time, May 20th you will be taught. And we have a very high hope that we have applied for the grants from the central government training and development center. So we are very hopeful that we will get the grant also, and if we get the grants for this meta-analysis and systematic review project, we will be able to offer free of cost for this for all the MPSCON 2026 participants. Those who have registered to attend main conference on May 21st and 22nd, they may get, it's not not yet confirmed, they may get, okay, so they may get the complimentary systematic review and meta-analysis workshop. And this is something what we are very much proud of. Medical Pharmacology Society is doing so much, and I am very happy that we are doing very good. Already 230 registered participants are there, and another 150 we can expect. So we will reach 300 to 350 participants. In addition, we also already have 63 registered participants in workshop. So including all the 3 workshops, we have 63 registered participants. So in one other way, we have already crossed 300 participants, and hope that we will be able to reach 350 to 400 participants. So this is how MPSCON is shaping, and I request everyone's support, and I would like to dedicate all the success of this MPSCON 2026 to all my friends, supporters, and those who are backing. And I am very happy that this MPSCON 2026 is supported by Himalaya Wellness Company. So they have agreed to become platinum sponsor, and also we have Medibay and IQ Training as the additional supporters. They are also platinum supporters. Okay, so platinum sponsors. So like this, the MPSCON 2026 is growing and achieving the higher milestones, and it is now the time for all my viewers and also friends, participants of various other programs to turn back, look at this MPSCON brochure, and then get their admissions, registrations done as early as possible. And it's a great opportunity. MPSCON is a great opportunity where you will come down to Bangalore, meet up with all the national leaders. All the people are coming from different states. So it's a kind of get together, and it's a kind of scientific milana, I would say. So we are all meeting for a cause, that is the development of our profession, our science, and our improving the collaborations across the institutions, so that we will be able to contribute back to the society in a meaningful way. So thank you so much for listening to me, giving this opportunity to host MPSCON 2026, and we are very much excited. I have already booked the bag kits also, registration kits, and already I sent invitations to all the speakers, and I am also working on identifying the chairpersons, co-chairpersons. That is also almost going on well, and we'll come back to you all soon with additional programs. We are giving calculation workshop, that is 7th of April. We already had one workshop on 17th of March, but again on demand we are conducting one more workshop, that is on 7th of April. So we will be doing, and we are, as pharmacologists, we are helping each other. I am also helping Aspire team at Sri Ramachandra Medical College as a faculty, and in their workshop, that is Aspire. So again, see you all there also. So a lot of opportunities for our youngsters. Hope that our people get the benefit of our efforts, our generation's effort, and all these efforts energize you all, and you also start contributing to the development of profession. Okay, giving back to the society is joy, it is contagious, and I'm sure all of you will take this message very seriously and support us to complete the MPSCON 2026 in a meaningful way, in a successful way. So looking forward to see you all soon. Thank you for listening to me, and I'm eagerly waiting to meet you all. Thank you. Good day.